And then you will not enter any trades here as it's turning down. So what you'll notice is that if you made good trades on the Aussie US dollar over those weeks, for 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, you will not be looking for any trades on Aussie dollar. You might not even be entering any trades during those couple of weeks because it is dropping. It is going against your trend. It is going against what you see the long-term move to be. It is moving down. As it moves down, I know the temptation will be there to sell, knowing that you might be very convinced you could make money. I would rather you make money, but do it safely. So sit there, look at other currency pairs, look at other trades. Wait for this to happen. Where it's coming down, price has still been moving up in the overall direction, right? So it was here, it's been moving up in the overall direction. Price is bouncing off support level, is bouncing off support level. Indicators are showing change and strength. This is where you'll be looking to enter that trade here, stop loss here, take profit level, and you see that it moves straight towards your take profit level. So with that, you can see, I hope that I'm showing you 5-step process. If you answer them as you go through and answer them with what you see, not based on what you hope, you're looking at small stop losses level, you're looking at reasonable take profit levels, and we are trading from line to line. I do know that a lot of you are relatively new to trading, new to FX. So what I hope is that as a starting point, you focus on trading the H4 time frame. I'll only be showing you the H4 time frame, and I hope you focus on the H4, because with the H4 time frame, what happens is you spend a lot less time sitting there watching the charts. You are able to come in, spend 15 minutes, half an hour, or even at the most 1 hour looking at a chart, looking at all your charts, and then identifying trades based on this 5-step process. With these 5 steps on the H4 time frame, you also have more time to analyze trades rather than having to rush into a trade as the market moves quickly.